Retail is changing rapidly, and brick-and-mortar stores face more challenges than ever, like these long lines. Let's follow this customer and see how the shopping experience is different with Fujitsu's RFID Gate self-checkout. At first, he shops as usual. The aisles look the same. But notice how all items are pre-tagged with an RFID tag, eliminating the need for scanning individual barcodes at point of sale. Now that he's done shopping, it's time to check out. And wait in a long line? Not so fast. Let's replace half the traditional checkouts with RFID Gate checkouts with Palm Secure. Our shopper, of course, chooses to check out at the gate because there's no wait. To begin the checkout process, the customer pushes his cart into a vacant gate. The customer checks in with his palm using Fujitsu Palm Secure Palm Vein Biometrics. The screen welcomes him as a loyalty customer, asks him if he's ready to scan, and once confirmed, the scan begins. The gate will scan all items in the cart with an extraordinarily high accuracy. The customer will have multiple payment options on the screen, including cash, credit, debit, Google, and Apple Pay, as well as paying with his palm. Paying with your palm is fast, convenient, and hygienic. Once scanned, weighed, and paid, the gate opens, and the happy customer exits the store, not having had to wait in a long line. Now, let's reimagine this in a clothing store. As with the previous customer, this customer shops as she normally would. Notice how in an apparel store, all items have hanging RFID tags. Looks like she's ready to check out. The customer approaches a traditional point-of-sale checkout, complete with a daunting line. But wait, now the customer has another option. This customer also prefers not to wait in the long line, so she approaches the Mini Express self-checkout. Notice again how the customer does not have to remove items from her cart. She simply drops the basket in a slot and pushes the scan button. Once scanned, the customer is given multiple payment options. She chooses to pay with Palm, a quick and easy way to pay. The customer takes the receipt and is able to leave the store without any hassle. So why not go from this to this with Fujitsu's newest innovations that are reinventing shopping? With RFID scanning